Hello students, welcome to your online social class. Subject Social, Grade 5, Unit 1, Ancient Excavation. Topic Archaeologist. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. In the last class we discussed about excavation. Today we are going to cover who is an archaeologist and some interesting examples from the world. Let us recap what we learnt in the last class. First, what we studied we studied about excavation. What is excavation? The process of digging the ground is called excavation. The process of digging the ground is called excavation. We learnt more about excavation. Is it dears? Yes. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Again I am repeating. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. All forms of archaeological excavation require great skills and careful preparation. Is it clear dears? Excavations can be classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental or rescue. Again I am repeating. Excavations can be classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental or rescue. Most excavations are properly pre-planned and their purpose is to find buried evidences from the site. Next what we saw Next we saw about archaeologist. Who is an archaeologist? The people who dig up the earth at different places to find things which are used by people of the past. Again I am repeating. The person who dig up the earth at different places to find things which are used by the people of the past. In the today's class we learn more about archaeologists and some interesting examples from the world. Are you ready dears? Yes. The things that archaeologists find during the excavation are called artifacts. Artifacts. ARTEFACTS. Again I am repeating. ARTEFACTS. Artifacts. What is artifacts? The things that archaeologists find during excavation are called artifacts. Archaeologists can tell a lot about people who lived there by looking at their houses, clothes, bones and other artifacts. Archaeologists dig up the earth at the time they find the things of the people of the past. So they can tell more about the people of the past. Let us learn more about archaeologists. Archaeologists, the people who study the history of human and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Analyze. ANALYSE. Analyze means examine in detail. Archaeologists are the people who study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze. That means examine in detail the artifacts. Okay dears, excavations gives us a glimpse of the past. Glimpse means a small view of the past. Again I am repeating. Archaeologists are the people who study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Excavation gives us a glimpse of the past. Next topic is some interesting examples from the world. Under first one is pyramids in Egypt. Pyramids. PYRAMIDS Pyramids. Again I'm repeating, Pyramids. Pyramids. What is a pyramids? Pyramids are burial places, stone tombs of Egypt kings. Okay dears, pyramids in Egypt. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. Small pyramids were made for the queens and big pyramids were made for the kings. Is it clear dears? They found huge tombs with superstructures which were built for the burial of the royal family. You know dears, Egyptians believed that life after death, so they buried the kings and his family. Skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and age of the people. You know dears, now technology improved a lot. You have small bones or skeleton, we can find the average height and age of that people. Okay dear, is it clear for you? Next we are going to see about the Indus civilization. Civilization, Civilization. Again I'm repeating, Civilization. What is civilization? Civilization means the society, culture and way of different people of a particular area. Okay dears, Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. Harappan, Harappan, Harappan. Harappan. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. Even now we are using baked bricks. Before 8,000 years ago they used the baked bricks. Okay dears. The city had a well planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. The city had a well planned houses. Okay dears. Then proper sanitation systems, that means drainage, proper drainage systems, proper well and a way to that the direct wastewater connect to the closed drains. Okay dears. There were advanced granaries. Granary, Granaries. Granaries means storehouse, store the food items. Okay ma. There were advanced granaries, great bath and productive walls. Nowadays we are built now that compound wall, like that they built the productive walls. Okay dears. Then it was found that the city and its civilization were very advanced for their life. Okay, because they have well planned houses, proper drainage systems, great bath and productive walls. So it was found that the city and its civilization were advanced for their time. Let us recap what we studied in the today's class. First what we saw about archaeologists, the people who study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. Excavations gives us the glimpse of the past. Next what we saw about some interesting examples from the world. First one is pyramids in Egypt. Small pyramids were made for the queens and big pyramids were made for the kings. Huge tombs were built for the burial of the royal family. Then skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and age of the people. Next what we saw about Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called the Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. It was found that the city and its civilization were very advanced for their time because they used bricked bricks and they used proper sanitation system. They have well planned houses, great bath and productive walls. Now we come to end of our class. Homework time. Homework for the day is read book page number 100 and 101 and complete Roman 4 question number 2 and 3. Again I am repeating, read book page number 100, 101 and complete Roman 4 question number 2 and 3. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.